tax process looks like as someone who received 8 1099s this year and received like 12 1099s in 2024. And then for reference, I have an S Corp and I also work with a CPA. So, and I'm going to show you the back end of everything, but when it comes time to actually file my taxes, I get those 1099s. And how I get those 1099s is those companies and platforms that I make money on will send me a 1099 form if I meet the threshold. And every threshold is different. A lot of times it's either usually 600 or 20,000. I know that that's vastly different, but those are usually the thresholds. So if you need a 1099, that company will send it to you, usually via email, or they'll send you an email saying that it's in your account somewhere. You will get that form and give it to your CPA. Or if you're filing your taxes, just file it like normal. Okay, so this is the portal that me and my CPA use. So every time, like at the beginning of the year that I would get a tax form or a 1099, I would just upload it into this portal for my CPA to actually find it and file it. When it comes to actually paying my taxes, I do this a couple different ways. So every 2 weeks, I have money automatically taken out of my business bank account. My business bank account is hooked up with Gusto, and Gusto automatically takes like $1,000 out every 2 weeks. That fluctuates depending on how much money I'm currently making though. And then yeah, that money is used to pay for taxes, and my CPA handles all of that. And then every quarter, I have to pay estimated quarterly taxes. This is usually around $2,000, and I do this on Georgia Tax Center. And also on Georgia Tax Center, I pay my sales and use tax every month, which is usually around $0. But yeah, it's really not that complicated. Like the only things that I have to do is upload those 1099s and then pay my quarterly annual or quarterly taxes and my sales and use tax, and then my CPA takes care of the rest. So obviously, like if you work for yourself, if you have multiple income sources, especially, like please just get a CPA. It'll make your life 10 bajillion times easier. But regardless, it's really not that complicated, and it should never be the reason that you like don't start something new.